There are many rules and regulations regarding automotive window tint in the state of Iowa. Knowing what the Iowa window tinting laws cover can help you avoid headaches and potential legal troubles. So keep watching to get an overview of these regulations and insights about the tinting laws in the state. Tint Darkness 101. What is the legal window tint darkness in Iowa? The amount of visible light that is allowed to enter through your car windows is measured in a percentage called the VLT, or visible light transmission. The higher the VLT, the more light will be allowed to pass through the glass. So, for example, a 70% window tint film will allow more light to pass through your windows than a 30% tint film. If a car has a 0% tint, this basically means that 0% of the outside light will pass through the tinted windows. Always keep in mind that the percentage of a light allowed through your windows and glass will most likely be different than the other 49 states and is very specific. Believe it or not, states have different laws for regular cars, sedans, compared to SUVs or vans. Sedan. Let's start by talking about the legal tint darkness allowed for sedans. Front windshield. Up to 70% tint darkness allowed. Front seat side windows. Up to 70% tint darkness allowed. Back seat side windows. Any tint darkness can be used. Rear window. Any tint darkness can be used. SUVs and vans. Now let's go over the legal tint darkness for SUVs and van. Front windshield. Up to 70% tint darkness allowed. Front seat side windows. Up to 70% tint darkness allowed. Back seat side windows. Any tint darkness can be used. Rear window. Any tint darkness can be used. Other rules. There are many other rules set in the state of Iowa regarding window tint. Which of these extra rules and regulations should you know about before getting behind the wheel? Side mirrors. No restrictions on side mirrors in Iowa. Window tint color restrictions. All tint colors are allowed in Iowa. Certifications. Manufacturers of film are not required to certify the film they sell in the state. Stickers. No sticker to identify legal tinting is required. Medical exemptions. Iowa does not permit darker window tinting due to medical exemptions since July 2012. So there you have it. You now have an understanding of the tint laws in your state, so you can make an informed decision before having tinting done on your vehicle. If you have any questions, get in touch, as we're happy to help you get a better understanding of your local tinting laws. Do you have a crazy story about something that happened because you used the wrong tint on your car? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, but before you go, give this video a like. Let us know what you think of the video and consider subscribing for more tinting guides. Check out our website at windowtintlaws.us to learn more about what we do and to check out our guides on window tinting.